2024 Kia Forte. Now this is something I didn't expect to find on a 2024. It has 1,200 miles on it. YF refrigerant. 2024. 14%. 14% air. Check that out. I've never seen a brand new car from the manufacturer 1,200 miles with 14% air in it. I gotta say that has set a new standard of high air content, low quality control. Or was this in an accident before within 1,200 miles and it's a second accident and was recharged, and is that the result, or is that a factory defect? Anybody out there using refrigerant leak detectors on 2024 Kia Fortes, let me have a comment and find out if you had the same thing, you've recorded the same thing, to see is this is a one-off, a fluke, or is this a pattern? See you guys later.